Alright, we got a full tank now. Traction feels way better. Woo! A little accidental knee drag there. Definitely not intentional. Hey, that's only my second time on the street accidentally dragging knee. Got a little deer. So confused. I don't blame it. This road is butter. Now that was a full knee drag. This isn't intentional. This road is just buttery.
Hello, thanks for stopping by and riding along. Before I get started, I just want to say thank you to the now 160 plus of you that have joined the group and are now riding along with us. It's greatly appreciated and very motivating to continue to put out some of these memories, and it's especially cool to me because I don't promote this channel in any way. I don't post on any external social media sites or anything, so those of you that are here, you've kind of come just from, I'm assuming, being recommended or people that I've ridden with in the past. So once again, I greatly appreciate you guys riding along and joining the group. So over the years, there's kind of been various riders that have mentioned how effortlessly I steer into corners, but at any of those points, I'm never intentionally trying to get a knee down. Trying to get a knee down really involves, needing perfect conditions, the right type of road, and there's different levels of lean angles. I really don't like the exaggerated lean on the street just because it's so dangerous, and it can really kind of test your limitations of traction and kind of responding to cars, oncoming, and stuff like that. So this is just a section of road with very minimal traffic, probably one of the best paved roads I've ever been on as far as camber and everything. Just really enjoyed this section of road.
Accidental knee drag there. Definitely not intentional. And that's it, folks. Just in time. It's only my second time on the street accidentally dragging knee. Got a little deer. So confused. I don't blame it. Yeah, it's only my second time. First time accidentally dragging knee on the street was on my supermoto. Yeah. So that's the second time. That was fun. Let's hit that section one more time. I mean, heck, we got a full tank of gas. See. Make sure that deer isn't over here still. done anything like this in my life.